We're at Treluddick Cottage to see this 2-bedroom cottage. And come on in and I'll show you. So driveway is approached for a number of vehicles. It's a really nice setting where it is. And you've got a stunning view. Really good for a keen gardener. There's lots of grass. So there is a fence in between. You may occasionally see some farm life. So parking area is just here, and again for a number of vehicles. So just here is the outbuilding, which has space and plumbing for a washing machine. Very handy for a few items. And I'll show you inside. A nice little gate here. This is the formal entrance. I'm going to take you in through the kitchen. Fantastic amount of ground. So the kitchen is completely brand new. Very good quality. Included is an under-counter fridge, oven, extractor and hob, and an integral dishwasher. So the shower room is very luxurious. So you've got an excellent sized shower. And look at that view. So leading through the property, just down a couple of steps, is the dining room. A couple of cupboards. Here is the formal entrance, which you may use. And the lounge has a wood burner. Nice window here out to the back, seating area and view. Plenty of room there for a table, which I'll show you shortly. And as we lead upstairs, it's got another little view just there. So here is, I'd say this is the second bedroom. And you've got windows either side. Again, looking out to the view just there. This looks out onto the front. So unusually, this room can actually lead through into the other bedroom, which you don't have to use at all. But a very good size. So you could completely close off that door so it's not usable. And back through, I'll just show you the rest of the outside space. So you've got a nice bit of lawn just here. Lots of hedges and gardens to maintain. Plenty of space here, dining and so on. Outside tap. Look at that for a view. And just to the back here is the final part of the property. So do feel free to get in contact if you are interested.